Good morning, everyone. Did Jamaica medal count just drop? It has been reported that Jamaica's sprint queen Shericka Jackson will not compete in the 100-meter at the upcoming Olympic Games in Paris. This shocking development has left many fans and analysts wondering about the impact on Jamaica's medal tally. Jamaican's track officials confirmed that Jackson, a key contender in both the 100 and 200-meter events, will be replaced by Shashalee Forbes in the blue ribbon sprint.
I've heard about it. Yes, I'm only running the 200-meter here, and yeah, the spirit. The spirit. I love it. So this is your third Olympics too. Yes. So what are you most excited about? Just to compete. I think, as I said, in 2016, I had an experience of my life. I went to all
This came as a surprise to many as Jackson has been a dominant force in sprinting, particularly in the 200-meter, where she holds the title of the fastest woman alive. However, concerns over her fitness arose earlier this month. And remember when she did pull up with an apparent cramp during the women's 200 race in Hungary. With just 50 meters to go, Jackson, who was leading the race, limped across the finish line, raising alarms about her readiness for the games. Jamaica's athletics manager, Lado Watts, confirmed the change, stating that Jackson's withdrawal from the 100-meter was a strategic decision. While Jackson's condition remained somewhat unclear, her coach Stephen Francis provided limited information, suggesting that any detailed updates will have to come from her medical team. Despite this, Francis seems optimistic, hinting that Jackson is okay, but stopping short of providing specifics. So what really are going on? Now in Jackson's place, we have Shashalee Forbes, who will take on the challenge in the 100-meter. Forbes, a promising sprinter, now has the opportunity to shine on the world stage. The news has sparked a mix of concern and excitement among Jamaican fans, who would undoubtedly rally behind Forbes as she steps into this critical role. The decision to withdraw Jackson from the 100-meter, while disappointing for her supporters, may be the best move for her to preserve her for the 200-meter event. Because the 200-meter, Shericka thing, she has been exceptional in that event. But I think it was the best move. People are saying that the coaches knew that she wouldn't have competed in the double from a long time. That is just being announced. Now the Jamaican team remains strong, with other talented sprinters like Tia Clayton, whom Coach Francis praised for her potential, ready to make her mark. As the Olympics approach, all eyes will be on Forbes and the rest of the Jamaican squad. The anticipation builds as we await to see if Jackson, who has brought home numerous medals for Jamaica, can still make a stunning comeback in the 200-meter. The Jamaican spirit of resilience and excellence is ever present, and we look forward to seeing our athletes soar on the track, carrying the hopes and dreams of our nation with them. All right, guys, it's shocking, but as we stated, is that it might be a chance for Shashalee and Tia to shine, and it might be the best move for Shericka so that she will perform the best in the 200-meter. The sprint double is no easy feat. I mean, it's not the norm. Shericka, Shelly, and Elaine are exceptional for taking on both events, but it's not so surprising with injury and with age that they choose to focus on one event. What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comments now. And do you think that we'll still medal in the 100-meter for women?